Can you suggest learners, to boost their careers after B Pharma? What kind of, things they should be looking forward for during their course? I mean, because they would be doing their own all the course part of it, right? Which has been a mandate, right? In B Pharma, year one you do this, year two you do this, something of that sort. But beyond that, what is what is a person should do in this era so that he has an edge over other B pharma, which people might not have thought of, for example.
Yeah. So now there are two options I would suggest. The very first thing is because pharmacy is a very like it's a 50-year back we have started this, and I am 100% sure what I learned in my pharmacy people are doing the same thing. So there is no as such change in the curriculum that we have. And industry has
Correct.
grown up like anything. I said there are 17 career options, but none of the career is taught in your pharmacy. So you have
Mhm.
to get extra skills and when you choose a career, so to be apart from the your crowd, right? So the competition and all that stuff. So the very first thing option should be, yeah, go for a post graduation, because I said nowadays companies want postgraduate. They have the options of postgraduate, PharmD and PhD as well. Now,
Mhm.
if your financial constraints are there, you're not able to have your this post graduations, and also you can have some kind of a skill development program. The area you choose, like I said, for the
Mhm.
SAS, you go for the certification. For any other clinical research, you go for some technical hands-on training where you can do the job effectively. This is what
Mhm.
I always say them. Okay, okay, look for the skills and get ready for that. So
Got
that
it.
is the two options I would suggest them should go for. And if you don't choose right now the post graduation, you can do that while you're into job, so the virtual or the part-time learning, right? Because
Mhm.
anyways 1 year 2 years down you will realize that post graduation is required for the
Mhm.
further growth, actually, because you choose a career and you want to grow as well. So for the
Mhm.
growth as well, you need to have a post graduations. Not now, but you can do in the later stages. But yes, need to be, the bottom line is choose a career and that gets skilled for that. So that's why I said it is a smart approach. When smart
Mhm.
says that skills matching any right target jobs. That is what the word
Mhm.
smart means, right? So
Mhm.
choose a career, work on your skills, have a good communication, showcase your profiles that yes, I'm a skilled professional in this particular area, and then start applying. I am
Mhm.
100% sure, even from 1 lakh of resumes, you will be shortlisted and you can start your career.